Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Conversation Builder. I am Hannah. I am your English teacher. Today, we will build a real English conversation, step by step, slowly. Easy. Do not worry. Do not rush. Relax. John is here with us today.
Hello, Hannah.
Hello, John. How are you today?
I am good, thank you.
Great. Are you ready to learn English?
Yes, I am ready.
Today's goal is simple. We will learn how to meet someone new in English. This is very important. You use this in real life, at work, at school, anywhere. Let's start. First sentence. Listen carefully. Hello. Pause. Now repeat. Hello. Good. Second sentence. My name is John. Listen. My name is John. Now repeat. My name is John. Very good. You can change the name. Use your name. Third sentence. Nice to meet you. Listen. Nice to meet you. Repeat. Nice to meet you. Excellent. Fourth sentence. Where are you from? Listen. Where are you from? Repeat. Where are you from? Good job. Fifth sentence. I am from Canada. Listen. I am from Canada. Repeat. I am from Canada. Great. You can change the country. Use your country. Now let's practice slowly. Hello.
Hello.
Pause for listener. My name is Hannah.
My name is John.
Pause for listener. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Pause for listener. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Pause for listener. I am from Canada.
I am from Canada.
Very good. Now let's practice again, but slower. Hello. Pause. My name is John. Pause. Nice to meet you. Pause. Where are you from? Pause. I am from Canada. Pause. Great work. Now we will do a short role play. Listen first. Hello.
Hello.
My name is Hannah.
My name is John.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Now you try. Pause the audio. Say both parts if you want. Take your time. Welcome back. Now listen to the full conversation. No stopping. Hello. My name is Hannah. Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Hello. My name is John. Nice to meet you too. I am from Canada.
Good. Now we say it one more time, a little more natural. Hello. My name is Hannah. Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Hello. My name is John. Nice to meet you too. I am from Canada.
Excellent. You did it. You spoke English. You built a conversation. Even simple English is real English. Do not be afraid. Mistakes are okay. Practice this conversation today. Say it out loud.
Thank you, Hannah. I feel confident.
You're welcome, John. You did great. Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.